Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, in that previous video, we discussed up to worksheet 1A, right? In this video, we are going to discuss the questions from worksheet 2. Okay, from that the concept simple equations. See that. The first question what they given ma? If x belongs to n, if x belongs to n, x is one of the number that is a natural number they are saying. Okay, if x belongs to n, then the root of the equation, 4x minus 3 is equals to 21 by trial and error method. Children, here they mentioned here trial and error method. So I will explain you here trial and error method. But in that examination point of view, this type of questions they will give in that examination, then you better to go for the transposing method. Okay, that is easily you will get no. By using the transposing method, how you will get that answer? 4x is equals to 21 minus 3 become as a plus 3. So 4x is equals to 24. X is equals to the product become as a division. So 4 6 is 24. As per this one, the answer is 6. Simply in that 3 steps, answer will be completed. Then you can save that time in that examination. Understand ma? Or else if you doesn't know, if you forgot this method, then easily better to go for the trial and error method. Okay, but in that question they mentioned that trial and error method, no? So I will explain you here trial and error method. Which method you want to follow, then you can follow that. See here ma. As per this one, trial and error method. Trial and error method means as per that options, in that options which values they given, those values we have to trial here. Okay, if x is equal to 7. First option, if x is equal to 7, then 4 into 7 minus 3, which is equals to 21. 4 7s 28 minus 3 is equal to 21. 28 minus 3, 25 is not equals to 21. So as per this one, LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equals to RHS. So this value is not satisfying here. Understand ma? Yes. Next, if x is equal to 6, then here 4 into 6 minus 3 is equal to 21. 4 6 is 24. 4 6 24 minus 3 is equal to 21. 24 minus 3 is equal to 21. So 21 is equal to 21. Then here LHS is equal to RHS. This value is satisfying, no? So that's why here which option is correct ma here? If x is equal to 6 is satisfies. Okay. If you want to check that the leftover two options also, then check that. If x is equals to 5, then here 4 into 5 minus 3, which is equals to 21. 4 5 is 20 minus 3 is equal to 21. 17 not equals to 21. 17 not equals to 21. And here if x is equals to 4, then here 4 into 4 minus 3 is equal to 21. 16 minus 3 is not equal to 21. And in the same way 13 is not equals to 21. 13 is not equals to 21. And in the same way here LHS not equals to RHS, and remaining these two cases also LHS value not equals to RHS. That's why here which value is satisfying ma here? Only the value if x is equals to 6, then only that condition satisfies. Understand? Yes. Next, second, which of the following is true for? Which of the following is true for? Which option is satisfies here? First, simplify this. 5x plus 7 by 8 is equal to 5. First, simplify this one. Later, we can go for that. Okay. See that. 5x plus 7 is equal to, here division form there, no? So, division form become as multiplication. Division become as multiplication. And here 5x plus 7 is equal to 5 8s 40. Next 5x is equals to 40 plus 7 become as minus 7. 5x is equals to 33. Yes, 33. And x is equals to here 33 by 5. 33 by 5. Then only that is satisfying they are saying. Okay, see here ma, then x is equals to 33 by 5, no? Just a checking process. Substitute the value here. 5 into 33 by 5 plus 7 by 8, which is equals to 5. 5 and 5 gets cancelled. So 33 plus 7 by 8, which is equals to 5. 33 plus 7 is 40 by 8, which is equals to 5. 8 ones, 8 fives. Finally, LHS value is equal to RHS. Understand? Then here, what is the root of this equation here? Root of the equation is x is equal to 33 by 5. Now see that 5 cannot be a root. Okay, first one is 5 cannot be a root. Yes, of course, 5 is not the root of this one. Okay, 5 may be a root. Is there any chance to get that 5 as a root to this equation? For this type of equations, this is a linear equations also, no? Simple equations, we can consider it as a linear equations also. Linear means the degree of the variable is 1. So here x power nothing is there means we will consider it as 1 only, no? So this type of linear equations or simple equations having only one root. Having only one root only satisfies. Already one root existing here. What is that root here? 33 by 5. So already 33 by 5 is satisfying the equation. That's why there is no any other value satisfies this equation. Understand ma? Only one value satisfies. What is that value here? 33 by 5. That's why here 5 cannot be a root. That is satisfying. 5 may be a root means not possible. That is impossible. 5 is not a root to this one. And 5 is the root. That's what I am saying. 5 is not the root. So what is that option here? 5 cannot be a root. It is not possible to get that root as a 5 to this given equation. Understand ma? So as per this one, which option is correct here? Option A is correct. That is a 5 cannot be a root. Understand? Yes. Next, if x minus 2 and 2 by 3, x minus 2 and 2 by 3 is equal to 1 and 1 by 3. Then the solution of the given equation by trial and error method they are asking. Okay. So again say that x minus 3 to 6 plus 2, 8 by 3, which is equals to 3 ones 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. Trial and error method they are asking. Okay. If x is equal to, what is the first value here? 6. Then here 6 minus 8 by 3, which is equals to 4 by 3. Okay. 6 minus 8 by 3. 3 into 6. 3 6 are 18. 18 minus 8 by 3, which is equals to 4 by 3. 18 minus 8 is 10 by 3. 10 by 3 not equals to 4 by 3. We know that. 10 by 3 not equals to 4 by 3. So here first option is not satisfying. Next, second option 4. If x is equal to 4, then here 4 minus of 8 by 3, which is equals to 4 by 3. 3 into 4 minus 8 by 3, which is equals to 4 by 3. 3 fours 12 minus 8 by 3, which is equals to 4 by 3. 12 minus 8 is 4 only, no? 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 is equal to 4 by 3. It is satisfying or not? Yes, satisfying. Then here LHS is equal to RHS. Then here what is the value of x here? X is equals to 4. Understand? Next check that leftover 2 also. If x is equals to 5, then here 5 minus 8 by 3. 5 minus 8 by 3 is equals to 4 by 3. Now here 5 into 3 minus 8 by 3. We know that how to convert that mixed fractions into improper, and in the same way here how to take that the difference of an integer, difference of a whole number and that fraction. Okay, we know that condition, right? Yes, which is equals to 4 by 3. And here 5 3 is 15 minus 8 by 3, which is equals to 4 by 3. 15 minus 8 is 7 by 3. 7 by 3 not equals to 4 by 3. 7 by 3 not equals to 4 by 3. And finally last option is there, Noma. What is that? If x is equals to here, the last option is 3. If x is equals to 3, then here 3 minus 8 by 3 is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, here I'll write, see that 3 3 is 9. 9 minus 8 by 3, which is equal to 4 by 3. 9 minus 8 is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 not equals to 4 by 3, we know that. So here LHS value is not equals to RHS. And in the same way here also LHS value not equals to RHS. Am I clear ma here? Yes. So these two values also not satisfies. So which option is satisfying here? If x is equals to 4, then only it is satisfying. Then finally here B is that correct answer, that is 4. Okay ma? Yes. Next, fourth one. What is that 4? If m is equals to 4, x is equal to 5 are the roots of the given equations, then the related equations are. So here we need to simplify that all the equations. Understand ma? See that option A. What is that? 2m plus 5 is equal to 13 and 4x plus 4 is equal to 23. All the options we have to check here. Okay. From this one, 2m is equals to 13 plus 5 become as minus 5. 2m is equals to 13 minus 5 is 8. Then here m is equals to 8 by 2. 2 ones, 2 fours. And here m is equal to 4, we got it. M is equal to 4, we got it. Next, from this one here, 4x is equals to 23 minus 4. 23 minus 4. And here 4x is equals to 19. X is equal to 19 by 4. X is equal to 19 by 4. That's why this is not satisfying now here. As per this one, option A is not satisfying. Okay. Next, option B. Option B. What is that option B here? 3m plus 4 is equal to 16. Next, 6x minus 2 is equal to 28. Okay, these two equations we have to check. From this one, 3m is equals to 16 minus 4. 3m is equals to 12. m is equal to 12 by 3. 3 ones, 3 fours. Finally, here we got that m is equal to 4. M is equal to 4. And come to this one here. 6x is equal to 28 minus 2 become as a plus 2. So 6x is equals to 28 plus 2, 30. X is equal to 30 divided by 6. 6 ones, 6 fives. Why? Because the product become as division, no? So here x is equal to 5. That's what they are asking, Noma here. M is equals to 4. M is equal to 4, we got it. And x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 also, we got it. So which option is satisfying here? Option B is satisfying. Okay. So we have to check that remaining two options also, no? So just to check that remaining two also here. 3m minus 2. 3m minus 2. Which is equals to here 11. And the next one, 2x plus 5 is equals to 2x plus 5 is equal to 15. Okay, here also check that ma. 3m is equals to 11 minus 2 become as plus 2. 3m is equals to 11 plus 2 is 13. And here m is equals to 13 by 3. So this value not satisfies, no? We have to get that m is equal to 4. But here we didn't get that. Okay, check this one. 2x is equal to 15 minus 5. So 2x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 by 2. 2 ones and 2 fives. Therefore, here x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 is satisfying, but m is equal to 13 by 3 is not satisfying. Okay, that's why here this option also wrong option only. Next, D. D, what they given ma? 4m plus 6 is equals to 27. 4m plus 6 is equal to 27. Next, 7x minus 5 is equal to 31. 7x minus 5 is equal to 31. Okay, just see here. 4m is equals to 27 minus 6. 4m is equals to 21. m is equals to 21 by 4. So cancellation is not possible, no ma. So m value not satisfying here. And in the same way here also, 7x is equals to 31 minus 5 become as plus 5. 7x is equal to 36. Then here x is equal to 36 by 7. So this value also not satisfying. Why? Because m is equals to 4, x is equal to 5 only satisfies. That's what they given in that question also. So as per this one, which option is satisfying ma here? Option B is satisfying. Okay? Yes. Next, fifth one. Yes. Then the value of x. Here one of the expression they given, no? Yes. 4 into 4 plus 5 by 7, which is equals to m. From this one, x plus m is equal to 10. So here x value we need to find out. Before going to find that x value, first we need to simplify that m value here. Okay. 4 4s 16 plus 5 by 7, which is equals to m. 16 plus 5 is equal to 21. So m is equal to 21 by 7. 7 1s 7 3s. M is equal to 3. What is the value of m here? M is equal to 3. Now x plus 3 is equal to 10. Now x is equals to 10 plus 3 become as minus 3. Then here x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. Which option is correct, ma, here? Option B is correct, that is 7. Okay. Yes. Next, sixth one, say here. If 2p minus 5 is equal to 0, then the value of p and p plus 7.5, those two values also we need to find out. So as per this one, 2p is equal to minus 5 is equal to plus 5. And here p is equals to 5 by 2. So we got that p value now here. Yes. P value we can write it as 2 2's 4. So 1 and 2 and 1 by 2. 2 and 1 by 2 is that value. Next, plus, now p plus 7.5, which is equals to, here p is equals to 2.5 plus 7.5. So we can write this one as 7 plus 2, which is equals to 9 plus half plus half. We can add like this, no? First we have to add that integers, next we can add that fraction forms also. Okay, so 9 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is equals to here 1. Finally here the answer is 10. Finally here the answer is 10. So what options are satisfying now here? 2 and 1 by 2 and 10. 2 and 1 by 2 and 10. Which option is satisfying here? Option B is satisfying. Okay. Yes. Seventh one. What is that? D plus 4 into D plus 5, which is equals to 75. Where D is a natural number, then root of the equation. Here they didn't inform the trial and error method, no? So we can use the transposing method here. Okay, ma? See that. D plus 4 into D is 4D. Plus 4 into 5 is 20. 4 5 is 20. If you want that explanation, then see here. D plus 4 into D plus 4 into 5 is equal to 75. Then here D plus 4D plus 4 5 is 20, which is equals to 75. Clear, ma? Yes. 4D plus D, which is equals to 5D plus 20, which is equals to 75. 5D is equal to 75 plus 20 become as minus 20. Then here 5D is equals to 55. 5D is equal to 55. From this one, D value. D is equal to 55 by 5. Understand? Okay. Multiplication become as division. From this one, 5 ones, 5 11s. Finally, D is equal to 11. Then what is the root of this equation, ma? That is 11. Okay. Which option is satisfying? Option D is satisfying. Okay. Yes. Next, 8th question. What is that? If 2y plus 8, which is equals to 4y plus 16. Given that the domain of the variable is, here domain means a set of these integers. Here some integers they given, no? So set of these numbers, one of the value satisfies this equation. Okay. Then what is that value they are asking? So simply we need to find that what is the root of the equation only they are asking. Okay. Find that 2y and here minus plus 4y become as minus 4y. Which is equals to 16 plus 8 become as minus 8. Plus quantity become as minus and here minus quantity become as plus. 2y minus 4y, which is equals to, here 2 minus 4 minus 2y is equal to 16 minus 8, which is equals to 8. Then here y is equals to, minus y is equals to 8 by 2. 2 ones, 2 fours. Then here y is equals to minus 4. Understand ma? How you got this one means just see that minus y is equal to 4. Just subtract, sorry, both sides also just multiply with minus sign. So minus into minus is equal to plus y, which is equals to minus 4. Understand ma? So as per this one here, which option is satisfying? Option D, that is minus 4 is satisfying here. Then here the domain of the variable they given, no? Then here from the set of integers, which value satisfies means minus 4 is satisfying. Okay? Yes. Next one. Ninth one, what is that? Here this is also, we need to find that domain of the variable they given. Just we need to find that root of the equation only. 2p minus 3 into p plus 4, which is equals to 3p minus 16. Okay, just find the value of a p here. 2p minus 3 into p is 3p, minus into plus is minus 3 fourths 12, which is equals to 3p minus 16. Okay, from this one 2p minus 3p, which is equals to minus p minus 12, which is equals to 3p minus 16. Now all the variables write together and all the constants write together. Okay, from that LHS side we have that minus p, from that RHS side we have 3p, no, plus 3p, become as minus 3p, which is equals to, here already minus 16 is there in that RHS, minus 16 minus 12 become as plus 12. So minus minus, again we will get it as minus 3p plus p as 4p, which is equals to minus 16 plus 12, which is equals to minus 4. Okay, minus minus gets cancelled. Finally, p is equals to 4 by 4. P is equal to 4 by 4. And here 4 and 4 gets cancelled. Finally, the value of p is 1. The value of p is 1. Okay, which option is correct ma here? Option B is correct. Okay, yes. And finally, the last question from this worksheet. The replacement set of the variable of an equation is called. The replacement set of the variable of an equation is called. What we will call that ma? The replacement set. Replacement set means of the variable of an equation. The set of numbers, what we are calling that? Domain of the variable we are calling, right? So that is called the domain of the variable. Understand? The replacement set of the variable. That set is called domain of the variable. Understand? But just previous only we discussed, no, domain of the numbers, domain of the variable. So this set, what we will call this replacement set? We will call this replacement set as domain of the variable. That's what they given here. Understand? So up to here 10 questions only given. Next worksheet 3 will be start here. Okay. In this video we discussed that 10 questions no ma. So leftover worksheet 3 questions we will discuss in that next video. Okay. Thank you all.